In the last video tutorial, I showed you how easy it was to log into the admin area of your website, how to create content pages like the home page or the Brin page that I created in the last one, or About Us. And I also gave you an overview of what everything was, such as modules, such as Contact Us. In this one, we're going to get a bit more fancy and add things like videos and PDFs to your website, and I'm also going to show you how you can change the layout of a page so you can, let's say, have images down the right hand side and text down the left, or even content of tables which shows different columns of content. The easiest way is to just show you how to do it. So let's get stuck in. I'm going to go and edit a page. I'm going to edit About Us. There's already content in there. What I'll do is I'll just delete all of that and I'll show you what I did. So all I did is I went Control A to select everything and I pressed the delete button. Right, so what I'm wanting to do is create text on the left hand side and images on the right. So to do that, you go Table, Insert Table. I'm going to make mine a couple of columns and a couple of rows. And you can see here we've got this dotted outline that shows 1, 2, 3, 4 cells. In the first cell, I'm just going to copy and paste some text over, just so you can see what it looks like. There we go. It's got some text in there, and in the right-hand column, I want to add an image. So I go Insert Image, and I click the Browse button, and I'll just choose one of these images. And remember, you should name it your product's name or your service's name, just so it helps get found by Google. And the default size should be around about 300 pixels. So now we can see we've got the text and we've got the image. The text by default is aligning to the middle. We can easily change that just by going Format, Formats, Tables, and we want it to be a standard table. And the standard table format is the text get aligns to the top. So before I add anything else, I'm just going to show you what that looks like. And if we go and have a look at the About Us page, that's looking really nice. We've got a bit of padding around there, and the text is looking good. Now let's add another row, but in that row, we'll add something different. So I'm just going to copy this text to use it as an example, and then I'm going to click into that second row and paste, and instead of using that image, I'm just going to use a different one. So I'll go and grab another image. That one there will do. Remember, I just double clicked it to select it, and we give it a name, and we make it 300 pixels. And that's good. Now I've run out of rows, but I want some more. So all you need to do is just click inside anywhere in that row and then go Table, Row, Insert Row After. And that gives me some more space. So as an example, in this row, again, I might have some more descriptive text like this. But in this right column, I want to insert a video. So you just go up here and go Insert Edit Video. And this is really easy to do. All you need to do is go to YouTube. Either you've uploaded your own video there or you're going to copy somebody else's. And you click Share. And there's the link there. If I click on that, it selects it. If I right click and go copy, it copies it to the clipboard. I then go back to our e107 content management system, right click and choose Paste. You can do these other things too. You can say, actually, I want to use my own image for it, or if we don't want that video source, we can use a different video source, but most of the time, this is all you're going to be doing. You'll just be pasting the YouTube link in there, and we're going to give it a width of 300. So that's looking good. I then go Update the page, and we go back and have a look at About Us. Those widths are a little bit off. It's different when it comes to video. Don't worry too much about it. What we can see is that these are left aligned when they should be right aligned. I'll show you how to fix that. And let's also add a PDF. So I just click on that image and I say click on Align Right, and I do the same to that one there as well. So let's add another row. click in there, go table, row, insert row after, and I'm going to show you how to add a PDF. So go click here to view PDF. Of course, it's going to be any text that you want to put in there, but this is just an example. So instead of going insert edit image, we go insert a link, but instead of it going off to an internal website link or an external website link, we're going to upload a file for it to connect to. So I click on Browse, and I go and choose a PDF from my local archives here in Documents. I'll choose the free wireless proposal documents, PDF, and it's uploading that file now. And there it is there. We can see it's a PDF because it's got the PDF icon, and I double click on that to select it, and now it's putting it in there. Now, because it is a separate document, just like linking to an external website, we should open it in a new window. And we go OK. So let's have a look at that. Update the page, go and have a look at it. And that's looking good. And if we click on our PDF, it now opens up in a new tab, and it's downloading the whole document. So that's how easy it is to do some nice layouts, to add videos, and to add links to PDFs. Again, you can actually get a lot fancier, but I'll show you that in the next video tutorial, where I'm going to talk more about the modules, such as the Lightbox module, which is really nice for having images that you can click on that enlarge on the page. But I also want to talk about the other modules, such as Contact Us and our search engine optimization module. So back shortly.